Hi everyone, so today I'm unboxing Xiaomi Mi Box 3C, which I got on the Christmas sale for just $30 from Xiaomi website. They have a sale, so let's unbox it. It's a 4K box, 1 GB RAM and 4 GB storage, and the price is really reasonable, only $30. So in the box we have one Mi box, and something in Chinese, as it is a Xiaomi product and most of them are in Chinese, so just an instruction. And there is one HDMI cable, one charger and one Xiaomi remote. So now let's install on my TV. I already have a Xiaomi 4C 4K TV, but I am installing in it. So we have a USB port also, so if you want to download some APK, so you can also download it. So it's very similar to Xiaomi TV remote. So this is my Xiaomi TV remote and this is Xiaomi Mi box remote. So let's see. So it's the basic setup of the Mi box. You can just skip it. So after installing, so it begins everything in Chinese. They have dramas, movies, news channel, weather forecast, cartoons. They also have some other regions movies. I watched an Indian movie in it, Dangal. There's one thing which I didn't like whenever I play some movie, there's an advertisement for a few seconds, so we have to watch it. We can't skip it. So like this, Chinese advertisement. So this Mi box have Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth 4.1. It have Android 5.0. So in $30, I think it's worth it. You can change the language by downloading APK in it, the same like I downloaded in my TV, and you can also route it to international version and use Google Play and other apps in it. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.